Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City. It's a little cloudy out there today. I'm currently staying in the North Tower in a corner room. That is the South Tower. I always wondered what's on the top floor up there. Does anybody know? My room definitely had a nice view of the Bayside hotels. There's Golden Nugget, Harrah's, Borgata, MGM Tower. This is the Hard Rock parking garage. And if you're driving and need gas, this is Rocktain over here. That is Hard Rock's gas station. Today I'm going to be featuring something very cool. This is a new Airbnb in town and it is so amazing. This is great if you have a big party and you're looking for somewhere to book in Atlantic City. It is not directly by a casino, but is very walkable to ocean. I was very interested in filming this property because I receive a lot of questions about where to stay with a big party. The attention to detail here was incredible. This was 3 floors. I'm going to take you to the top floor first, which was just like, wow, this is really cool. It was an overcast day, but I can't even imagine how wonderful this is during the sunsets and the sunrises. This must be amazing. This property is in the north side of Atlantic City, close to Flagship, Ocean, and Gardner's Basin. This is important to note. This property is multi-level. This is the 3rd level. Most of the bedrooms are on the 2nd level. The 1st level is a garage, which is really cool. I'm going to be showing you that in a little bit, and the entranceway. This property not only sleeps 10 people, but it seats many people. They really have it down. They really did a great job with all the fine details here. I was really impressed. I did not stay here. I only came here to film it. I really like to show you guys different options of places you could stay if you're in Atlantic City. One thing that really caught my attention was this canvas. It's all in color. Dominic, the owner of this property, is the one that put the color into this picture. I thought that was a really cool story. He is a graphic artist and has been a pleasure to work with. There is 1 bedroom that is on this floor, the 3rd floor. There are 4 designated bedrooms and the green room, which is sort of a hangout room that has a Murphy bed. I will show you all of that soon. There is also a full bathroom up here as well. Everything was brand new. I couldn't find a thing wrong with this place. There's even a washer and dryer that's very modern. Now let's go check out the finer details in the kitchen. Full refrigerator, extremely clean. Everything in this place was so clean. If you want to find out more about this property or book it, you can check it out on Airbnb. I will leave the links in the description below. Look at those margarita glasses. You are all set up for a party here. Modernized electric, beautiful silverware. Oh my gosh. This kitchen was stocked with anything that you could possibly need to make full meals or have a celebration. Cozy blankets. A lot of seating. Had a very nice fireplace as well. Now let's go check out level 2. This is where you're going to find most of the bedrooms. After this tour, I'm going to be taking you back to the Hard Rock and we are going to be playing some slots, and I'm going to be taking you outside in the evening. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer Sparks. Welcome. I do my best to share my knowledge about Atlantic City with others so they can figure out where they want to stay, what they want to do when they come here. I'm telling you, if you have a large party, this is a great option. Down the hallway past the stairs, you're going to find 2 more bedrooms and the green room and another balcony. Downside here is you're not in a casino, but that's not a bad thing. Think about all the money you guys are all going to save. Not directly on or next to anything, but you're close to the casinos, the boardwalk, Gardner's Basin. Probably like a 5-minute drive to the Bayside casinos. You're really in a good location over here. So if you're flying in and you don't have a car, just even Ubering and lifting places would be very easy. Sometimes that even makes more sense to do when you're staying off-site, that way you don't have to pay for all the parking fees at the casino resort garages. Now let's go into the green room. This is extra bedding and sleeping space. There is a Murphy bed that comes down from the wall. This would probably be my choice because I love that there's a slider with the patio. I would just stay in there and just keep the door open if it was a nice night. Actually, knowing me, I'd probably just sleep on one of the Chase lounges outside. There are cushions for the furniture in the garage. The sound was very quiet and peaceful during my visit. Just heard seagulls from the ocean. Had all the extras like a wine refrigerator, games, extra bedding. This place was spectacular. It exceeded my expectations. I honestly didn't want to leave. I loved it there. But after this, I'm going to be going to Tropicana to go check in. We're going to be staying there for 3 nights. The last and final thing I have to show you is the garage. The garage is set up as a really cool hangout. This is where you'll find the extra pieces for the lawn furniture. And that concludes our tour of this really cool place that I found that you could stay in Atlantic City. If you're interested in booking or learning more, I'll leave the info in the description below. Now I'm going to take you back to the Hard Rock Hotel. We're going to play little slots, and then I'm going to take you outside and show you what it's like out there at night. We're going to play some Willy Wonka. He wasn't too nice to me today. After about 10 minutes, I finally got the bonus.
Something very unusual in here.
Sometimes you could do very well with this bonus. This part of the video is filmed Memorial Day 2025.
I feel terribly strange.
Let's go. Oh, come on. Oh, no, really? All right, go up higher. Oh, that's better. Stay there. Nope. That's bad. No. Oh, God, that's really bad.
Light as a feather.
Oh, that's terrible. This machine sucks today. I'm going to get nothing there. Nothing. Oh, my God.
Hey, you did it, Grandpa.
Oh, I think I hit
Shame
a
on you.
hammer.
Shame on you. You think you're going to get something good, and then it moves it somewhere bad. That's not good either. This is a terrible bonus. So far, I've only won $2.30. Pathetic bonus. Oh my God, Willy Wonka, you are destroying me today. Oh my God.
So I just bounced around, tried some different games. I really wasn't feeling like gambling, but sometimes it's like part of the job when you get comp rooms. You have to go gamble. You can't just stay there and not gamble. I received a bonus round pretty early in this game. Yeah, I think this is a one and done for me. I don't know. Does anybody have any luck on this game? I'm like finding the bonus round. Like there's no big potential to do anything great here. The casino is pretty crowded, but it's Memorial Day. You know, usually I come here Sunday, Monday, and it's not that busy, but it's a holiday weekend. I was really excited and surprised to get comp rooms at Hard Rock and Tropicana this week. So I had to take advantage of this. I won like $5. It's time to move. This may have been my biggest downfall of the day. I wasn't getting anything on this machine. I don't know. The machines were really rough this day.
Oh my God. This one's terrible. Oh my God. Oh my God. $15. I have gotten nothing. Playing 75 cents to spend. There is a reason nobody is lined up to play these games. And still, here I am. Trying to see if I could get anything. What is wrong with me? Stop playing. These things have to pop. Nothing's popping. I'm not getting anything. Why am I still here?
I eventually did leave, and I tried a game that I usually do pretty well on, but didn't do well on this one either. Tried a couple other games. It just really was not my night. But I try to look at it as, you know, I'm having a good time. I have the comp rooms here. I still have to pay for the tax and the resort fee. I don't know, it's like $35 a night or something. I get to stay at the Hard Rock in Atlantic City. I'm pretty good. Honestly, if I lose a couple bucks, it's not the end of the world. There may have been a couple comp drinks involved too. That always makes the pain of losing money a little bit better. If you're a regular at Atlantic City and familiar with my channel, you already know how much I love Hard Rock. A lot of the reason that it's one of my favorite casinos to stay at is because I love the live music at night. And it's great to watch the bands and just go right back to your room and not have to worry about driving anywhere. And in the summertime, in the warmer months, they have live music outside too, which is really cool. And that's where we're going to be going tonight. So after I finish getting totally slammed and hammered by this casino. Yeah, I most definitely need to get out of here. I could just keep pumping in money, or we could go do something else. We're going to go outside and see what's going on over there. Sometimes you just have to make that call. Enough is enough. Let's go. Let's go do something else. The change of the atmosphere is like, whoa. Should have did this a while ago. It's so nice outside, especially on this day. The weather was, it was maybe 65 degrees. There was a solo artist out here, which I think is typical of Hard Rock. I don't think there's any bands that come out here. Maybe there are. I've only just seen solo people though. I thought it was incredible. Her voice just sort of echoed through the boardwalk. It was just a really nice experience. I really enjoyed this. There's tables out here, food, and a bar. And it's right next to the Steel Pier, so this is a great place to come hang out if you're coming with your teens. You could sit back and have a cocktail and something to eat, and they could go on the rides, and you're close enough if they need you. Here's a look at the Steel Pier at night. Trying to figure out what to eat. I still haven't had anything to eat today. I live forever in my soul desire. Lo and behold, how did I not notice this macaroni and cheese and grilled cheese place right next to the singer? There's no line there. I may have to go check that out. I decided to order the mac and cheese, which honestly could feed a whole family. I mean, I only ate a little bit of this. This was so huge. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I'm on the move a lot. I don't have a lot of time to edit, so they're kind of raw, kind of just being with me, hanging out with me, that kind of thing. And I hope you enjoy it. If you do let me know in the comments below that you're enjoying the video. It'd make me feel good. Like the video and subscribe to my channel, and check out my playlist at the end of this video for more video tours about Atlantic City and places you could stay, things that you could do, all that other good stuff. Great song to end the Memorial Day celebration. Check out my playlist right here for more tours about Atlantic City. But whatever you do, make sure you book that trip and you pack your bags and you go. Atlantic City is awesome and you deserve to be here. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.